If you're seeing the OneDrive error that says the file name is too long, don't worry. This is usually an easy fix. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix the OneDrive file name too long error step by step so your files can sync properly again. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, understand what's actually causing the problem. This error usually happens when the file name itself is too long for OneDrive to handle, or when the file is buried inside folders with long names. OneDrive has limits, so even if the file looks normal to you, the full path can still be too long behind the scenes. The good news is, you can usually solve it by shortening the file name or cleaning up the folder structure. The first fix is to rename the file. Open the affected OneDrive folder in File Explorer and find the file that is giving you the error. Right-click on the file, then click Rename. Now enter a shorter file name. Try removing extra words, long dates, unnecessary symbols, or anything that makes the name too long. Keep it simple and clear. Once you've changed it, press Enter to save the new name. After that, give OneDrive a moment to sync again, and check whether the error is gone. If that doesn't fully solve it, try removing unnecessary words from the file name. Sometimes a file name may not look extremely long at first glance, but a few extra words can push it over the limit. Right-click the file again, click Rename, and trim it down even further. For example, instead of a long descriptive file name, use a shorter version that still makes sense to you. After you press Enter, watch OneDrive and see if it starts syncing normally. Another useful fix is to move the file to a simpler folder. If the file is stored deep inside several folders with long names, OneDrive may still flag it even after shortening the file name. Open the folder containing the file, select the file, and move it closer to the main OneDrive folder if possible. The shorter the full path, the better. Once the file is in a simpler location, wait for OneDrive to sync again and see if the issue disappears. You should also shorten folder names if needed. Open the folders leading to the file and look for any folder with a very long name. Right-click that folder, choose Rename, and give it a shorter name. Repeat this process for any other folders in the path that seem too long. Sometimes fixing just one folder name is enough, but in other cases you may need to shorten several names in the path before OneDrive accepts the file. A good rule of thumb is to keep both file names and folder names short and clean. That makes syncing much smoother and helps prevent this error from coming back later. If you often work with files that have long names, it's a smart habit to simplify them before moving them into OneDrive. Now, after making these changes, let OneDrive finish syncing. Depending on the number of files and your connection, it may take a moment. If the file starts syncing successfully, then you've fixed the issue. If you still see the error, go back and check the full path again, because there may be another folder or file name that still needs to be shortened. So to recap, the fastest way to fix the OneDrive file name too long error is to rename the file, remove unnecessary words, move it to a simpler folder, and shorten any folder names in the path. These steps solve the problem in most cases without needing any advanced settings or extra software. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.